I didn't know I had to prove that the run is real so many times. I didn't realize I'd have to prove the legitimacy of the run over and over and over again. If it's not fake, say it was a good chat. There you go. Thank you, Manusia. Thank you, Dave. Thank you, Haha6. Thank you, Jade. Thank you for the gifts. Come on. Okay. Thank you, Jade, who's came from the vid. I'm pretty sure everyone here has come. I'm pretty sure most of the people here have joined from the video that I've uploaded. Which, fair enough. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, Amber. If you are new to the stream, please follow. It would be amazing to see you guys on future live streams. NKDJ. We can do this? Yes, sir. Thank you, lick my balls. Okay, we're almost there. Thank you, Akubeka. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, Ibrahim. Thank you for gift. Thank you, Gummy. Cheers for gifts. Cheers for gifts. Thank you, Paul. I don't know how to pronounce these names, man. Thank you, Lola. Yeah. There we go. Thank you, Four. Thank you, Omaji. Thank you, Diamond. Thank you, Akubeka. Thank you, YMA. Thank you, Star. Thank you, Bongawi. Thank you for gifts. Thank you, Epic Script. Thank you, YMA. Thank you, Manode. How long has he been playing? Today, 5 hours. Lock-in is crazy. Damn right. The lock-in do be crazy. Thank you, Akubeka. Thank you, Fatima. Am I in danger? Nah. Thank you, YMA. Thank you, Farts. Thank you, Trish. Thank you, server. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you, YMA. Thank you for gifts. Thank you, ... Thank you. How much left? Oh, ages. I've still got another 1,351 mil away from the world record. Thank you, Ira. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, ... Okay. Alright. How long have I been playing? Today, 5 hours. The entire run's been about 44 hours this run? Yeah, 44 hours this run. Thank you, RJ. I'm back. What's poppin'? Thank you, Ligma. Thank you, Fritz. Thank you, Yawach. Thank you, Tycoon. Thank you, Gate. Okay. Say, I don't know what that means. Thank you, Jess. Thank you, Sham. Thank you, your watch. Thank you, Mari. Thank you, Sean. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, Sham. Thank you, Kiko. Thank you, Lee. Thank you, A Safe. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, Vikings. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, Jay. Thank you, Sahil. Thank you, D-Sethman. Thank you, YMA. Oh, he's live on 2 accounts. That's who's thanking. Yes, I am live on 2 accounts. Go, Raspberry. I've only been live for 5 hours. I could do another 19 easy. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, George. Sure. Sure. God damn it, dude. Thank you, Abel. Okay. Well, if he dies again... If I die again, then I lose. So that kind of sucks. If I die again, I lose, and then I have to restart the run. He's so close. I'm near 800 million. Come on. Maybe I have to buy more keys. If I were to buy enough keys for me to get another revive, it would cost me £300. So no, I'm not going to do that. Here we go. Can I answer my snap, please? Yar. Yes, you did, Kaylee. I'm pretty sure you did. I'm pretty sure you left them in me car. I'm pretty sure you left them in my car. Silly. You left your slippers in my car. Sad times, literally. Anyways, 800 million. Yay! Hooray! 800 million. So if you guys are new to the stream, please follow. It would be amazing to see you guys on future live streams. So please, if you are new, follow. I know you're there. Please follow. Thank you. Get Abil. Thank you, C. Can I have them back? Yeah. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, Champion. Today, sure. Thank you, C. Thank you, Tess. Thank you for the gifts. There we go. Thank you, C. Whee! Alright. Getting bullied here? Yeah. Sad times. Thank you, C! This is fun. Yar. Thank you, C. Come on. Thank you, C. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Daki. Thank you, Nadia. Thank you, Leo. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, C. Come on. Thank you, C. Come on. Jeez. Thank you so much. Am I distracting you? Nah, mate. Thank you, C. Oh, my days. That C. Thank you so much. Show us your fingers. Me fingies. Thank you, C. My God. Oh my God, Kaylee's so annoying. I know, right? I agree. Kaylee is very annoying. Thank you, Who. I'm live on this account. C sent 3.5 thousand gifts. No, it's so annoying. Kaylee is very annoying. My God. Thank you, C. Thank you. C, a legend. Everyone say WC. Like just the letter C. Oh my God. Everyone say WC right now. What? See, you're on 6.4 thousand gifts, love. Wow. Brother. That's a lot. Nah. Say Skibbity if hasn't pre-recorded. There you go. Thank you, C. My God. Thank you, Jessica. You got a girlfriend? Apparently so. Crazy. I know, right? Thank you so much, C. I really appreciate it. Thank you, ... Thank you, champion. Okay. Wow, people do not like me today. Sad times, Kaylee. It's okay, love. I love you still. Thank you, champion. Are you still okay? Yes, sir. Thank you, Nafu. Thank you, champion. Say Sigma if it's not pre-recorded. There you go. Because you're annoying. That's crazy. Slay for real. Thank you, Kama. Thank you, Batman. Whee! Thank you, Miz. Yeah, because you're a pick-me. I've already picked Kaylee. Kaylee got called a pick-me. Oof. Kaylee, you literally have a boyfriend. I saw your vids. Thank you, sugar. I wonder who your boyfriend is, Kaylee. Got called out? Damn, for real. I wonder who your boyfriend is. Thank you for the gifts. Some bloke. Just some geezer. Thank you, Lynn. Okay. Thank you, Mika. Someone just said in chat, her boyfriend is him.